Now let us understand the process of evaporation with the help of an example. So how will you separate a colored component or dye from blue black ink? You have ink in your pens, so that ink is made from a dye. So that dye is a solid component, and that dye is dissolved in water to form ink. That dye is dissolved in water to form ink. So how will you separate that dye from the blue black ink? So in this process we will use evaporation. So what are the steps? The step 1 is fill a beaker half with water. Now put a watch glass on the mouth of the beaker, and on the watch glass put few drops of ink. Okay, I'll show you the diagram. See the diagram. What we have done, we have taken a beaker and filled it with water, and below the beaker there is a burner, and on the top mouth of the beaker we have put a watch glass, a kind of a plate in which we have put ink, blue or black ink. Now when I start heating this, so what will happen? The water will start heating, and due to this heating of water, the watch glass will get heated, and the ink placed inside the watch glass will also start heating. So when the ink starts getting heated, so the water present in the ink, listen very carefully, the water present in the ink, what will happen? It will start forming vapors. The volatile component means the component, the liquid component which can form vapors. So the water present in the ink will start forming vapors, and that vapors will be escaping into the air. Okay, and if you continue heating, after some time you will see that all the water has vaporized, and what is left in the watch glass is the dye. What is left in the watch glass is the dye, the colored component. Got it? So you will ask, why didn't we directly put the ink in the water or in the beaker? Because if you directly heat the ink, it will get decomposed by direct heating. If you directly heat the ink, it will get decomposed by direct heating. Okay, that is why we are indirectly heating the ink, and when we heat the ink, the volatile component, that is water, is removed in the form of water vapors, and the colored component, which is solid non-volatile, will be left in the watch glass. Got it? Now what are the applications? What are the applications of evaporation, where it is used? First of all, as we have seen, it is used in separating colored components from the ink, like the dye from the ink. Salt from water, similarly you can dissolve salt in water and evaporate it. What is left will be the salt, and water will be removed. And next is, it is also used in separating sugar from water. So these are the applications of evaporation, which is separating volatile component from the non-volatile component by means of heating.